How to add your friends on Brawl Stars. So what you have to do firstly, you're gonna have to click on this icon right here where it says friends. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on add friends. Now from here, you could either scan their QR code or you could just click on add friends with a player ID. So I'm gonna try out both. First, I'm gonna start with scan with QR code, for example. And now I'm gonna put my QR code right here, see if this works. So as you guys can see, it said add friend Silky Stemic. That's my other account. So I'm gonna just click on confirm. And I just sent myself a friend request. I'm just gonna click on right here, click on add friends with ID, and now I'm just gonna search my name up. So Silky Stemic. Click on add friends, and I could click on confirm, as you guys can see. Now I just added him. All he has to do, he just has to go on his friends, click on invites, and click on accept. And now I have him as a friend. So if this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.